Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to Touraine Court in Pittsford.
This is an amazing property with a first floor master suite. So let's take a tour.
This is elegant living. This home welcomes you with a spacious living room with patio access, beautiful hardwood floors, and a gorgeous gas fireplace, leading to a cathedral ceiling eat-in kitchen with wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a center island with a breakfast bar and deck access, and a dining room with cathedral ceilings and beautiful hardwood floors. The first floor also features a luxurious master suite with a walk-in closet, a second bedroom, plus a powder room and laundry. This finished lower level provides great additional living space with an expansive bonus room, an office or potential bedroom, a workshop, and storage. While the upstairs features 2 additional spacious bedrooms and a full bathroom.
This is nature at its best. This home is landscaped to perfection with an extensive outdoor living area, including a patio with a hot tub and a deck to take in those scenic views. This is beautiful Men Ponds Park.
This is the largest park in Monroe County with over 2,500 acres of scenic ponds, groomed hiking trails, and pavilions for picnics.
Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Touraine Court in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!